Today I'm going to do test for Comica BoomX D2 wireless microphone. 2 points I will focus on. The first one is the quality of the wireless microphone in the open field, and the second thing is the difference between mono mode and stereo mode. My name is Hitch. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to see the unboxing video for this product, you'll find the link up here, and if you want to buy the product, you'll find the link down below. And please, if you like the video, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updated videos all the time. Let's go to the test. Now this is my outdoor test for Comica BoomX D2, and 2 means 2 transmitters or 2 microphones. Alright, different than the D1. D1 is just 1 transmitter. Now you can hear me from both speakers because the mode now is mono. So I have the 2 transmitters on the internal mics. You hear me from both sides. Now I will take a round in the place to see the quality of the audio. So I'm walking backward because if I turn around, the signal will cut. Let's test this as well. So now I'm going around and I'm trying to talk so we can make the test. Now here I am. The distance, I will go farther. Maybe the audio is cutting because I'm giving my back to the receiver. Now I'm facing the camera. My distance is like 20 to 30 meters. And this is my last area I can go, or I can go deeper and deeper. Yeah. I nearly can't see the camera. Here I am. I'm here. Okay, here is the camera. All right. As I told you, this is on mono mode. So both of the microphones are working with me. All right. And now I want to make test for left and right. So we're going to put the microphone on stereo mode. But I'm alone here. I don't have anyone to help me in this test. So I'll just try something. Maybe it will be nice. So I'm going to the right and I'll pretend that there is someone on the left. So I'll try to help myself, nobody with me. So let me go to the right. Now you can hear me just on the right. From your speaker or your headphone, you'll hear me from the right. All right. So I want to call someone. I'll pretend that there is someone. Hitch, can you come and help me, please? Right, mate.
Yes, I'm coming.
Yeah, here, please.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
So Hitch asked me to do
The test from the left. So now I'm on the left. All right, you can hear me from the left speaker, or if you're wearing a headphone, on your left headphones. All right, cheers, mate. Bye. So now my mood is stereo. So now I can mute the right one. Now you hear me on the left. So if unmute the right, now I'm muting the left, so you hear me on the right. If you want both of them, unmute the left, good, or on the receiver, click on mono, both of them will be working. Thank you. Yo, Hitch! Don't play there. I hope this video is useful for you, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.